Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 24, that is the Laughing King. In this lesson there are 4 scenes and we are going to see today first scene. In first scene, King Leonard is taking a walk in his garden, and what incident took place there, that we are going to see in this scene. What Leonard said, see, what a bright sunny morning. Here sunny means cheerful and bright means happy, cheerful. Is telling what? What a bright and sunny morning. How colorful my garden looks. Different colors, flowers are there in garden. So he's telling how colorful my garden looks. Ah, how sweet the flowers smell. Ah, this word is used to express the emotions. And this king is telling what here? Or saying, ah, how sweet the flowers smell. Now who is that hurrying here? Isn't it Griselda, the witch? King is telling what? Now who is in hurry here? Isn't it Griselda, the witch? Here witch means a woman believed to have evil magic powers. Means a woman who can do magic. That woman is called witch. Griselda is seen walking in hurriedly. This Griselda, she is witch and she was in hurry. Of course, it is. Why this haste and hurry? Haste means speed or urgency. Oh, there she slips and falls into. Ha ha ha, the puddle. Ha ha ha, how muddy her face is. How wet her clothes are. Here, Griselda, she was in hurry, and while walking, she slips and she falls into the puddle. Now, puddle means what? See, puddle means a small amount of water that has collected at a place. Means in Marathi we say डबके, पाण्याचे डबके for puddle. And this Griselda, she falls into the puddle. So this king is laughing. King is saying what? How muddy her face is. How wet her clothes are. Students, you can see picture of King Leonard and Griselda here. King is laughing at her and Griselda. In hurry she sleeps and she falls in the puddle. Griselda, she has fallen into the puddle, so this king is laughing at her. Ha ha ha, laughs loudly. Means here king is laughing loudly. Griselda scrambles out of the puddle and comes limping towards the king. Scrambles means to get out hurriedly, and limping means what? To walk slowly or with difficulty. Means Griselda, she has fallen into puddle, so she scrambles out of the puddle and she is coming limping towards the king. Griselda, now she is angrily shouting, what's it? Shame on you, King Leonard, you laugh at my fall. Leonard, what he's doing? He's laughing, ha ha. Griselda is saying what? If you like laughing so much, may you laugh all the times. Jhang Meng Sheng means she used some magical words and she has done magic on King Leonard. Leonard, ha ha, Mrs. laughing loudly. Which Griselda sits under a tree, frowning at the laughing king and wiping off the mud from her body. Frowning means an angry expression. Griselda, she get up from the puddle and she sits under a tree. And she was frowning, means looking angrily at the laughing king and wiping off the mud from her body. Now we will see second scene, the palace. This second scene took place in the palace. Here palace means king's building. The king enters still laughing. The queen who has been looking for the king comes to him with a plate full of cakes. In second scene, queen means the wife of king. She comes with a plate full of cake, means she has brought cakes in her plate. Handing him the plate, Queen what said she? Won't you taste the special cakes I baked for you? By the way, why are you laughing? What's funny, dear? Won't you tell me? Handing the plate of cake to the king, Queen is asking to him that what is the reason of laughing? Why you're laughing? What's funny, dear? Won't you tell me? Like this, Queen is asking to king because he is laughing. Leonard, haha, Leonard is laughing here. Queen getting annoyed, Miss Queen get angry. And she said, "Stop laughing, dear. You will drop the plate. You won't stop." Students, won't means what here? Will not. Will not, it is wrote as a won't. While laughing, the plates falls from the king's hand. "Oh no, you have broken one of my best plates and dropped my special cakes. Boo hoo hoo." Boo hoo hoo. These words are said suddenly to surprise someone. King Leonard falls the plate of cake down, so Queen was angry. So she is telling what? Boo hoo hoo. Leonard, ha ha ha. Leonard is laughing here. Princess Cynthia comes and sees her father laugh and her mother cry. Cynthia, she is the daughter of King Leonard. What she said, see, "Father, we can hear your laugh all over the palace, but why are you laughing? And that too when mother's crying over her broken plate?" Cynthia is saying to her father that "your laughing is here all over the palace. But why you are laughing? And then too when my mother is crying over her broken plate, why you are crying?" she is asking to her father. Leonard, unable to control himself, ha ha ho ho, is because of the Grinselda's magic, he is laughing continuously. He can't control himself. Cynthia said, consoling her mother. She is consoling to her mother. "Madam, mother, don't cry like this," she is saying to her mother. Consoling means cheering up somebody when he or she is sad. "Never mind, Mama, I will pick up the broken pieces and try to mend the plate." Mend means what? Repair. She is telling, "I will pick up the broken pieces of the plate and I will mend it." And she started to collect the pieces. "Oh, I have cut my finger." Miss Cynthia got hurt on her finger. Leonard laughing louder. Ha ha ho ho ho. Miss, he could not control his laughing. He was laughing loudly. Cynthia said, staring at her father angrily. She was looking at her father angrily. "Father, how can you laugh even when I have cut my finger? Boo hoo hoo." Leonard, "Ho ho ho. I should stop laughing. Hey hey, but I cannot. Ha ha ha. Let me go and consult my council of wise men. Ho ho ha ha. They will know what to do." Consult means advice, and council means a group of people who are elected to govern an area. In the court of Leonard, there is a council of wise men. Means there is a group of wise men in the court of Leonard, and Leonard is thinking what they know what to do. He could not stop his laughing on this something solution. He think that this wise men will give. So he think to take advice from that people. Remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Today's homework, students, you have to read textbook page number 54 and 55, and also you have to write the meanings one time of lesson number 24, and you have to learn it.